What if a single weekend could completely transform your backyard, patio, garden, or outdoor living space without spending a fortune on expensive furniture? Most people see old pallets, scrap wood, discarded fence boards, broken furniture, and leftover construction lumber as waste. But creative woodworkers see something entirely different. They see outdoor benches waiting to be built. They see planters hidden inside weathered timber. They see decorative garden features, rustic tables, storage solutions, and outdoor decor just waiting for a second chance. Today, we're exploring 10 amazing weekend woodworking projects that combine creativity, sustainability, and practical outdoor living. These projects are designed for beginners and experienced DIY makers alike, using recycled and reclaimed materials that are often available for little or no cost. The best part is that each project can dramatically improve your outdoor space while keeping usable materials out of landfills. So grab your tools, gather some reclaimed wood, and let's discover 10 outdoor wooden crafts that prove recycling can be both beautiful and functional. 1. Rustic Pallet Garden Bench. One of the most rewarding weekend projects begins with one of the most commonly discarded materials on Earth, shipping pallets. Many pallets are built from surprisingly durable wood capable of surviving years of outdoor use when properly treated. By carefully dismantling pallet boards, sanding rough surfaces, and reinforcing the frame with sturdy supports, you can create a charming garden bench perfect for relaxing outdoors. The beauty of pallet benches lies in their character. Weathered grain patterns, nail marks, and natural imperfections create a rustic appearance that expensive store-bought furniture often tries to imitate. Add exterior stain and weather-resistant sealant, and the result becomes a comfortable seating area that looks both handcrafted and inviting. 2. Raised garden planter boxes. Gardening and woodworking are a perfect combination, and raised planter boxes remain one of the most popular outdoor projects for good reason. Using reclaimed fence boards, scrap hardwood, or leftover decking material, you can construct durable planting beds that improve drainage, reduce weeds, and create an organized garden appearance. The project is simple enough for beginners yet offers endless customization possibilities. Large boxes can support vegetables and herbs, while smaller versions can showcase flowers and decorative plants. Besides being practical, raised planters instantly make any outdoor area feel more structured and professionally landscaped. 3. Outdoor coffee table from reclaimed lumber. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee outdoors beside a beautiful handcrafted table made entirely from recycled materials. Old fence panels, salvaged hardwood flooring, and discarded furniture parts can all be transformed into a stunning outdoor coffee table. The design can be rustic, modern, or farmhouse-inspired depending on the wood selected. Simple joinery techniques combined with weather-resistant finishes allow reclaimed lumber to become a durable centerpiece for outdoor gatherings. Projects like this demonstrate how woodworking can turn ordinary waste into furniture that feels custom-built and luxurious. 4. Vertical herb garden wall. Not everyone has a large backyard. That's why vertical gardening has become increasingly popular among homeowners and apartment dwellers alike. Using scrap wood, pallet boards, or reclaimed shelving, you can build a vertical herb garden that maximizes growing space while creating an attractive visual feature. Small planters can be mounted at different heights, allowing basil, mint, rosemary, parsley, and other herbs to thrive in a compact footprint. The finished project combines practicality with aesthetic appeal, making it perfect for patios, balconies, and outdoor kitchens. 5. Wooden birdhouse collection. Birdhouses remain one of the most enjoyable woodworking projects because they combine creativity with environmental benefits. Using leftover wood scraps from previous projects, you can build a collection of unique birdhouses in different sizes and styles. Some can be designed for specific bird species, while others focus on decorative appeal. Painted finishes, natural wood textures, and creative roof designs can transform simple boxes into charming outdoor decorations. At the same time, these projects provide shelter for local wildlife, making them both beautiful and meaningful additions to any garden. 6. Reclaimed wood. Outdoor storage box. Outdoor spaces often become cluttered with gardening tools, cushions, hoses, and seasonal equipment. A storage box built from reclaimed wood solves this problem while adding visual warmth to the space. Using old decking boards, pallet lumber, or salvaged hardwood, you can create a durable chest that keeps outdoor essentials organized and protected. Adding weather-resistant hinges and exterior sealants ensures long-term durability. Some builders even incorporate seating on top, creating furniture that serves multiple purposes. This project proves that practical storage solutions can also become attractive design features. 7. Decorative garden trellis. A trellis may seem like a simple structure, but it can completely transform the appearance of a garden. Constructed from reclaimed wood strips or salvaged lattice materials, a trellis provides support for climbing plants while creating vertical visual interest. Roses, ivy, clematis, and many flowering vines thrive when given a sturdy wooden framework to climb. Over time, the structure becomes partially hidden beneath foliage, blending woodworking craftsmanship with natural beauty in a way few other projects can achieve. 8. Outdoor lantern display stand lighting has a powerful impact on outdoor atmosphere, especially during evening gatherings. Using recycled wood and basic joinery techniques, you can build a decorative lantern stand that displays candles, solar lights, or hanging lanterns. The project requires relatively little material, yet creates a dramatic visual effect once illuminated at night. Rustic finishes work particularly well because they complement the warm glow of outdoor lighting. The result is an inviting focal point that enhances both patios and garden pathways. 9. Wooden garden tool organizer. Every gardener knows how quickly tools become scattered and difficult to find. A wall-mounted garden organizer built from reclaimed lumber offers a simple solution. Hooks, shelves, and storage slots can be customized to accommodate hand tools, gloves, watering cans, and small equipment. By organizing frequently used items in a dedicated location, the entire gardening experience becomes more enjoyable and efficient. Even better, this project can often be completed using nothing more than leftover wood scraps that would otherwise go unused. 10. Outdoor dining table from salvaged wood. The ultimate weekend challenge is creating a beautiful outdoor dining table from recycled materials. While slightly more ambitious than some of the previous projects, the reward is extraordinary. A handcrafted dining table becomes the centerpiece of family gatherings, outdoor meals, and social events. Using reclaimed beams, pallet wood, old fencing, or salvaged furniture components, you can build a sturdy table filled with character and history. Natural imperfections become part of the design, giving the finished piece authenticity that factory-made furniture often lacks. Once sealed and protected for outdoor use, the table can provide years of enjoyment while showcasing the value of sustainable craftsmanship. One of the most exciting aspects of woodworking is discovering potential where others see waste. Every discarded pallet, weathered fence board, broken piece of furniture, and leftover scrap contains possibilities waiting to be unlocked through creativity and craftsmanship. These 10 weekend projects prove that recycling and reuse don't require sacrificing style or quality. In fact, reclaimed materials often create outdoor spaces with more character, warmth, and uniqueness than mass-produced alternatives ever could. Whether you're building a simple birdhouse, a vertical herb garden, a storage chest, or a full outdoor dining table, each project contributes to a more sustainable way of creating. More importantly, every project tells a story. A story of materials given a second life and transformed into something useful, beautiful, and built to be enjoyed. So the next time you see a pile of discarded wood, don't see waste. See opportunity. Your next outdoor woodworking masterpiece may already be waiting for you.